y'all? How you been? How you doing? How your freaking day been? Comment it down below because you know I want to know, baby. So oh, ow. Can we get into this hair though? Because why is it so pretty? Like, who told them to snap like this? Okay, because this junk is fire. Like, it's giving like this is growing on my scalp. Like, okay, do you know how many people have complimented my hair and it's just like free flowing, just giving island girl. Like, it's giving, you know. So yeah, and you peep, no lace. So you want to know how easy it is to put this thing on? I'm gonna show you. Scoot this chair out. Look, watch. Whoop. Right. Watch. Count the seconds with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 seconds, and here it is back on my head like that, and my hair is done. Like, you know, you feel me? Like, put your wig on in 13 freaking seconds. Like, I kid you not, I had a meeting with my advisor, and the meeting was at 3:30. I rolled out of bed at 3:29. Got up, put on a jacket, threw my wig on, and was on that meeting by 3:30. Okay, baby? So please don't play with this wig. And then it's 26 whole inches. Like, you see the flow? You see the flow with it? You see the length to the butt? Okay. Also, peep Attire. I'm gonna have them linked in the description box below, because you know my hoodie hard. I know y'all was looking, I know y'all was trying to figure out like where she get that from, who that from. Yeah, so go support my boy Cam and Sin Attire. Okay, success is near, period. All right, but yeah, let's get into this wig though, for real. So now that all the theatrics are, you know, done with and over, let's get to business. Okay, let's get to business. So this hair is from Ronnie Hair. Okay, Ronnie Hair. This is our box that it came in. We got headband number 1, headband number 2, and headband number 3. The difference between these is the little black spots versus brown spots. Yeah, I was kind of confused before. Then we got a little hair tie with the apple symbol on it. Not sure why, but hey. 1 second, I'm in class. Oh, okay. I'm in class right now, so I'm just trying to make sure he didn't say nothing. So then we get a wig cap. I'm gonna be using her because, yeah. Then we get a adjustable strap. They always love to give us an adjustable strap, and you know, we're not complaining. And yeah, that's it. That's all we got. So I'm gonna show y'all the construction of this wig and how everything is, you know, structured. Yeah. So let me take this guy off again. Excuse my head. So it's basically like a half wig. There's no lace in this at all. It's all weft. So headband comes with a comb here, 2 combs on the side, and then 1 comb at the back, plus adjustable straps. And of course you have your headband, it velcros together like that. So that also adds as, like, you know, security or whatever. And let me put her back on. Okay, class is over. So yeah, wig is back on. So let's try on these headbands.
I mean, I gotta let knowledge be heard.
Oh, my wig got snatched. Oh my god. And this is headband number 3. So yes, headbands are giving, you know, if you like cheetah print, that's you. I'm not really a big fan of cheetah print, so I'm not gonna wear the headbands. But the headbands are cute, no lie. They are cute, even for somebody who doesn't like headbands all that much. So now let's get into some styles. How can we style her? Let's see. First thing I'm gonna try to do is a half up, half down. I do know and I'm fully aware of the fact that there is, you know, wefts, but with the half up, half down, oh, okay, sliding, that's cool. You know, just don't, like, this is not a roller coaster wig, you feel me? This is not one of them. I'm gonna use the little hair tie they gave me. Do a half up, half down. And then boom, all the wefts are covered and you have your cute little, you know, and the wefts are covered because, you know, the hair is long. It's gonna cover. No need to worry, no need to fret. This is actually cute. I was never really a half up, half down type of girl, but they might have just made me one because this is cute. Let's see. They said that I could do a ponytail, like with my hair up. I'm gonna put on one of these headbands because, you know, of course, if we're gonna do a ponytail and put our hair up, we have to cover the back. So I'm gonna put this right here on. Now I'm gonna just situate this in the back so that it's like, you know, covering and holding in all of the little weft parts. Then we're just gonna put her up. Comb everything up to the front. I mean, it's a bun. It sure is a bun. Will I personally wear my hair like this? Probably not outside the house, but we're gonna give a 360. And the fact, like, you can, you know, make this work a little bit better, of course. You can make this work, but I just, you know, did it real quick. Just, you know, take the time to comb it up, maybe put it on a wig head and put the put it up in a ponytail there, and then, you know. But definitely if you want to do like a messy bun for like the sake of like selfies, she works. She works. Yeah. And then I want to show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle and show y'all that. Also, guys, she doesn't shed. She's curly and doesn't shed. Like, you might get like a strand or two, but she doesn't shed. And I was like, she doesn't mat up in the nape either. I have worn her out for a whole day and I got no shedding of any kind. I got no matting at the nape. I got no matting anywhere. She behaved herself, to say the least. Unlike a lot of these units, they like to misbehave. These curly ones especially, they like to play. But look, she don't play. Let's get into these curls. They're very natural, very just beautiful. Like, these are gorgeous curls, no lie. I don't have her drenched because, you know, I don't want to be wet, but then again, her length, and she moves, she's bouncy, she's flowy, okay girl? Like, please don't play with her, okay? Please don't play with her, because she didn't come to play, okay? She didn't. She came to serve, okay? And that's just on period. Period. But yes, this is their curly, and I believe this is 26 inches, as she should be. You feel me? And yeah, go get you one, because this is really gonna be my go-to. Y'all are gonna get tired of seeing me in this wig, but I'm gonna be wearing it, okay? Because it's so easy and it's so just perfect. Really, that's the best word I can use to describe it. It's perfect. So yeah, I highly recommend. It's soft. It's just, you did your thing, Ronnie. You did your thing. But yeah, all the links will be in the description box below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and send this guide to one of your besties, okay? Your baddies. Send it to a friend, a family member, anybody who needs to be able to get up and go and run out the house and need something like this in their life, okay? Bless them. Bless them. Period. But I'll see y'all in the next video, and